let me call this mechanic real fast, because I'm gonna call another mechanic that I know, see if he wants to do it, because I can't do it. We've had too many issues, and we just can't take that risk.
But what's the difference between you doing the job? Like I said, it's a customer supply.
Because this has been removed. The car's been serviced, or it's been tampered with already.
It's not tampered with. I had suspension put in.
I understand.
And I had back order on the lower control arms.
I understand, but this has been removed from the vehicle. This is unsafe. So we can't touch it because we don't know exactly what's all been done to the vehicle. If the car had been put together and not been like this, yes, there would be no problem. Come here and knock this out for you and been done with it. Let me call another mechanic and see if he's available to do this.
I mean, I didn't like that they didn't do it, but it makes sense why they left it. They said you need a new links anyway. You're waiting on lower control arms. We have to take that. We have to undo your links anyway when we do your lower.
And you've been driving with this off like that.
Since March, yeah.
Yeah, we definitely can't touch this car. No, that's just a safety issue. We can't touch it, and you're saying something's locking up.
No,
they never should have done that. First of all, they never should have done that, and I don't want to be the next company to touch it and then something goes wrong.
I had a starter go out. Nothing to do about that. It was a 15-year-old Toyota factory starter. So it was a nighttime mobile repair that came from out of Dallas, and he did replace the starter. I don't have an issue, but he took this tire off to get in the wheel well, and something just didn't seem right. So I, lifted up my tires, make sure nothing was like lug that was loose, and something's wrong. I don't know if he stripped something. I don't know if this is safe. I lifted it, and when I turned, the tire was just going. There's no noise, but the rotor wasn't moving with it, and I wasn't 100% sure if that was normal. The driver's side, it was. That's why I was like,
yeah,
that's
not normal. Something's